there. I just wanted to share a couple quick tips on how to use your Google Drive. So I'm going to share my screen here. Click My Drive. The first tip I want to show you is how to search for any document in your Google Drive. So any document that you have or that has been shared with you, this top search bar here says Search in Drive. For example, we'll search Commission Sheets, and you'll see Commission Sheets populate. The second tip I want to show you is something that I just discovered. If you click Priority, you can create your own workspace with your most used documents, or maybe some documents that you need to work on in the future. It's super easy. Just click Create. We'll call this Remax, and start adding files. So we'll click this little magnifying glass. We'll search Commission Sheets again, and we'll add that to our workspace. Click it, click Insert, and Send. And now you've created a shortcut to your most used document. I hope this helped, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.